Since the American University in Cairo started to fully operate to face-to-face learning, many events started to take place. One of these events is the opening of the SU Market after finishing its maintenance to make it ready to welcome the students after the long closure due to the COVID-19 pandemic.
Part of the maintenance is that we had a lot of 6 fridges that were added to the SU Market. In addition to this, we had a new system that the student union has subscribed in it, which was called Poster. This system helps us in counting the numbers of products sold and the numbers of products that we bought and the prices, the selling price and the price that we bring with in order for us to calculate the profit and the loss if there's any. In addition to this, we had new cashier boxes and new scanners that helps us increase and enhance our system, which makes it more efficient for our team in order for us to have a well-managed SU outlet that could really help the student union and the students in general.
The maintenance also included a new layout of the market, like new shelves and new wall color to expand the space area. Everything that is inside the market is well organized in a way that all students can find whatever they want easily, and the prices for all the items are way cheaper than any other market in the AUC.
The SU Market has 2 main goals. The first main goal is that we want to increase the calibers and the development for all our team in order for us to manage an outlet for the student union in the AUC community. The second goal is that we want to offer services for the student body, and the services that we provide is through providing a variety of products which is subsidized. For example, we subsidize the water for 1 Egyptian pound, we subsidize Red Bull for 20 Egyptian pounds. What we do is that we really subsidize every single thing in this AUC community in order for us to offer services for the student body.
What makes the SU Market a special place for the students is the fact that it has different products that cannot be found in other markets that are on campus, as the products range from snacks, energy drinks, chips, water, fizzy drinks, as well as healthy snacks. As part of the opening, the SU Market has collaborated with brands like Power Horse to offer the students new energy drinks to motivate them to come to the event and spend some happy time there. However, giving away some free energy drinks for the students was not the only thing that Power Horse offered for the opening.
عشان renovations بتاعت SU جينا أول يوم بعد الأونلاين وجبنا umbrellas وهاي tables وفي ثلاجة على شكل بيرل شكل كان باور هورس كبيرة حطيناها في الSU ماركت، فعملنا كده شوية decorations لذيذة للجامعة.
Indeed, all the AUC students who attended the opening of the SU Market enjoyed the event, and as a consequence, the members of the SU celebrated their success. Mirna Abou El Seoud, AUCTV.